This couple met when they both accidentally swiped right while trying to delete the dating app. Sarah was about to give up on online dating after a string of terrible first dates. Meanwhile, David was only on the app because his friends insisted he needed to get out there after his breakup. When they matched, Sarah messaged first with a simple hi, expecting nothing. David responded with a joke about how they were probably each other's last chance before deleting the app. They agreed to meet for coffee, planning to keep it short. That coffee turned into lunch, then dinner, and finally a walk.
This story video was created using just one powerful AI tool, Videotook. With Videotook, you can create AI videos in minutes. From animated stories with consistent characters to voice cloning, transitions, and cinematic effects, it's all built in. You can also make UGC-style videos, add creatives using AI avatars, and even CGI video ads. In this video, we'll create an animated story. In the next one, we'll explore how to create ads. Let me show you how it works. Here's the dashboard. You can create videos from scratch. UGC videos, talking avatars, custom characters. You can even set up your brand once, and Videotook will generate future videos in the same style. Plus, it allows you to clone your own voice. Let's start by clicking on Create New Video. You can either fully generate a video using AI or start from scratch. We'll try the AI option first. The AI will write a script for you based on a simple title or idea, or you can upload your own script and voice. For now, I'll enter a title. Next, choose a brand. I haven't set one yet. Then choose the aspect ratio. 16:9 is perfect for YouTube. Now, select the duration. I've set it to 60 seconds for this demo, but I recommend choosing 10 minutes for a more engaging story. You can also enable custom characters if you set them up. Next, select a media style. Videotook supports almost all major image generation models. In styles, you'll find all popular options. We're using anime, but I suggest trying dark anime, 3D cartoon, and GTA style. Each gives a unique look. Then, choose your language. Nearly every language is supported, and select a voice from hundreds of high-quality options. It's truly an all-in-one tool. Click Generate, and it will create the script in just a few seconds. You can edit or regenerate the script as needed. Once you're happy, hit Next. Now, Videotook automatically breaks the story into scenes and creates visual prompts. For this story, it generated 30 prompts, which look good, so let's move on and click Create Video. Now the video opens in Videotook's advanced editor, similar to CapCut, but with powerful AI built right in.
This couple met when they both accidentally swiped right while trying to delete the.
On the left, there's the Media tab with all generated images. At the bottom, you can create new videos using models like GPT, Google, and Flux. Next is the Captions tab. It comes with a variety of cool templates to style your text. In the audio section, you can generate new voiceovers, choose from high-quality voices, or enhance your existing audio. Then, head over to the Music tab. It offers a wide range of categories. Let's select the anime category. Choose a track, and add it to the timeline. Make sure to reduce the volume to 40% so it blends well with the voice.
Both accidentally swiped right while trying to delete the dating app.
Lastly, in the Sound Effects tab, you'll find all the popular sound effects to add depth and emotion to your scenes. Once your edit is complete, click the Publish button. Select your format: Reel or YouTube video. Then, Videotook will generate a title, description, key points, and even tags optimized for YouTube. Yes, all of this in one single tool. Impressive, right? Finally, hit export and download your video. Let's take a quick look.
This couple met when they both accidentally swiped right while trying to delete the dating app. Sarah was about to give up on online.
In this demo, only the images change, but Videotook also offers image-to-video generation. To use it, go to the Media tab, select an image, and click the Image-to-Video button at the bottom. Choose a model, including the latest, like Google Veo 2, adjust the aspect ratio, and hit Generate. The video is ready in seconds. You can do this with all your images, but personally, I like the still image version for this story.
This couple met when they both accidentally swiped right while trying to delete the dating app. Sarah was about to give up on online dating after a string of terrible first dates. Meanwhile, David was only on the app because his friends insisted he needed to get out there after his breakup. When they matched, Sarah messaged first with a simple hi, expecting nothing. David responded with a joke about how they were probably each other's last chance before deleting the app. They agreed to meet for coffee, planning to keep it short. That coffee turned into lunch, then dinner, and finally a walk along the waterfront until 2 a.m. 6 months later, David proposed at that same coffee shop. In his speech, he thanked the dating app's glitchy interface that prevented them from deleting their profiles. Today, they run a small bakery together and have the app's logo tattooed on their wrists. A reminder that sometimes the best love stories happen when you've stopped looking.